One.
Something that is not just something under a book or a page. It is something that is used by everyone from big to small. Even if someone doesn't know about maths, they use it unknowingly. India is a country which had a big contribution in maths, and one well known example of this is the great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, who introduced the world to number zero. We can't imagine maths without zero. This great contribution was followed by the great knowledge of Srinivasa Ramanujan and Shakuntala Devi, which made every Indian proudly say that they are from the country of these mathematicians who are known by the whole world. To encourage our young students of India, graded students of Kothari International School are today organizing a quiz to increase the craze and love for maths in the heart of young students. There are four teams: Team Infinity with members Tanisha Gupta, Harshangi Merchant, Shavya Dubey, and Rohan Bavaskar. Team Pythagoras having Risha Balodia, Gauri Shurushe, Dev Bindra, and Saksham Sharma. Team Algebras with Shreyansh Pallod, Minatipam Shetty, and Sudhanshu Kalekinge. And the last but not the least, Team Quads with Jeet Desai, which is me, Arav Srivastava, Ansh Vahile, and Arush Govind. There will be two rounds here. Each round will have 5 questions. First round will have riddles, MCQs, and one word answers, and the second round will be a rapid fire round. I will be conducting the quiz for the first round. So let's begin our quiz. I request Team Infinity to come forward, ask their questions to Team Pythagoras with their video turned on. I would now call Tanishta Gupta and Harshangi Merchant to take over on the behalf of her team. Our time tracker for this quiz will be Ansh Vahile.
Our team Infinity with the members I Tanishtha Gupta as the host, Harshangi Merchant as the host, Shevya Dubey the time tracker and Rohan Bavaskar the scorekeeper. The rules. In this round there are 5 questions in total. 30 seconds or 15 seconds will be given depending on the question. 1 mark will be given for each correct answer. Only one attempt will be given to answer each question.
We will be asking questions to the Pythagoras.
Question 1. Guess the mathematician D.R. Kaprekar. And your time starts now.
Option B.
That's the correct answer.
Question 2. Which number can't be used as a divisor? And your time starts now.
Zero.
That's the correct answer. Question 3. What are 3 positive numbers given the same sum and product? And your time starts now.
2, 2,
That's the wrong answer. That's
The
the
correct
wrong answer.
time.
And the correct answer was 123.
How many centimeters make a decameter? The options are 1, 10, 1000, 100, and 10,000.
And your time starts now.
1000.
Yes, correct.
That's
1.
the correct answer. Question 5. How many zeros are there in 1 billion? And your time starts now.
Time is up. Time is up. 9.
Time's up. Time's up. And the correct answer was 9. Now we'll be starting with the round 2, which is a rapid fire round. Only 10 seconds will be given to answer each and every question. And the question 1 is, who is the father of mathematics? And your time starts now.
Time is up.
Time's up. And the correct answer was Archimedes.
Question 2. If 20% of x is 25, find x.
And your time starts now.
One one zero.
Time is up.
The correct
The
answer
correct
was
answer was
125.
125.
Question 3. Fill in the blanks. 4, 6, 12, 14, 20, 28, 30. And what will be the next one? Next number. And your time starts now.
Time is up. 60.
Time's up. The answer was 60.
Question 4. Dash numbers of zeros are there in a billion?
9.
Your answer is correct.
That's the correct answer. Question 5. What number do you get if you multiply all the numbers in a telephone pad? And your time starts now.
Time is up. Time's up. And the correct answer was 0.
0.
Today, we, Team Pythagoras, members, me, Dave Bindra, the host, along with Gauri Suresh, also as the host, Rishabh Bhalodia and Saksham Sharma as scorekeepers. Our team will be challenging other team, which is Team Algebras, with our questions. Round 1 consists of MCQs. There are 3 MCQs and 2 questions in this round. 1.8. 15 seconds will be given to each question. After 15 seconds are over, Anshwaile, the time tracker, will ring the bell and it will be declared as time up. And after this, no participant of the group is allowed to answer. Correct answer will be shown and we will move forward to the next question. So now, I request Gaurav.
The rules are clear. A group of students decide to collect as many paise from each member of group as is the number of members. If total collection amount to rupees 59.29, the number of member is the group is option A 57, option B 67, option C 77, or option D 87. Your time starts now.
The time is over.
The time is up and the correct answer was 77. Now I request Dev Bindra to ask question 2. I guess Dev Bindra is having some technical problem. So our question 2 is, the largest 4-digit number exactly divisible by 88 is option A 9944, option B 9768, option C 8888, or option D none of these.
I think 9944, option A.
Is this your final answer?
Yes.
Time is over.
One. Your answer was incorrect, and the answer is none of these. The correct number, which is divisible by 88, is 9999. Thank you. Now, Dave, I ask question 3.
What smallest number is divisible by all integers from 1 to 10? 3241, 5050, 5252, 2520. And your time starts.
The time is over.
The answer was 2520. The question 4 is, who is the father of algebra?
The time is over.
The father of algebra is the Greek mathematician who is Diophantus. Now I request Dev Bindra to ask our last question of round 1.
The last question of round 1 is, who discovered numbers?
Like what numbers?
Numbers. Integers. Who discovered integers?
The time is over.
Correct answer was Leonardo of Pisa. Now, I request Brisha Bhalodia to declare the scores.
The scores are: first question 0 as it was times up. Question 2 is 0 as it was wrong answer. Question 3 was 0 which was times up. Question 4 was 0 which was times up. Question 5 was also 0 which was times up. So the final score is 0 upon 5.
So now we go ahead with round 2. For round 2, the rules are same, but only the difference is that round 2 consists of picture-based questions. Now I request Dev Bindra to ask question 1.
Identify the Greek astronomer shown in the picture. Hint: he discovered trigonometry.
The time is up.
Hipparchus?
The time was up,
What's that?
and the correct answer was Hipparchus. Question 2 is, identify Leonhard Euler in the following pictures.
Option A.
The
It was
time is
incorrect
up.
answer. It was incorrect answer. Question 3. Identify the monument. Hint. It opened in 2001 and now ranks as one of the UK's most popular tourist attraction. It has geodesic domes made up of hexagonal and pentagonal cells.
Sir, time is up.
The answer was the Eden project in Cornwall in UK. Now I request Dev Bindra to ask question 4.
Which monument is a great example of line of symmetry?
Option A.
And your answer is
Answer
correct.
was correct. Now our last question of round 2 is identify this Greek philosopher. Hint, he found Pythagoras theory.
Pythagoras.
It was an correct answer. Now I request Risha Bhalodia to tell the scores for round 2.
The score for the answer to, for the round 2, the first question 0 as it was times up. The second question was correct. The third question was wrong as it was times up. The fourth answer was correct and also the fifth is 3 upon 5.
Thank you, Team Pythagoras and Team Algebras. Now I would like to call Team Algebras to ask questions to Team Squad.
शांत बस शांत बस बाहेर
Team Algebra will be asking questions to Team Quad. And Minati Bhamshetty and host Dhanshu Kalekinge as the timekeeper and Shreyansh Kalod as the scorekeeper. Questions go to Team Quad. The name for the 100-sided figure is option A, heptagon, option B, hexagon, option C, decagon, and option D, tricosahexacontagon.
Option B.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Yes, B.
Yes.
Option B or option C? Moving to the next question. That was the right answer. Moving to the next question. How many lines are there between 1 and 100? And your time starts now.
10 lines?
Is that your
10
final answer?
lines. Yes.
That is the wrong answer. The right answer is 20. Next question. The numbers show the length of the corresponding sides of the rectangle. Which area is the largest? Option A, blue. Option B, green. Option C, all are of the same size. And option D, yellow.
Option A, blue.
Is that your final answer?
Time is up.
Yes.
The right answer is option C. All are of the same size. Next question. There is a 3-digit number. The second digit is 4 times as big as the third digit, while the first digit is 3 less than the second digit. What is the number? Your time starts now.
Means not
Times.
identical.
Time's
The
up.
time is up. The right answer is 141. Next question. The number 2146587 is divisible by option A 7, option B 3, option C 11, and option D 9. Your time starts now.
B3.
This is the right answer. Moving to round 2. Sudhanshu, can we have the PPT for round 2? Let's move to the round 2 of maths quiz. Team Algebros will be asking team quad. This is a rapid fire round and the time will vary for each question. Moving to the first question. Find the value. Your time starts now. You will be given 45 seconds for this question.
Twenty-four.
This is the right answer. Next question. The class mark of the class 20 to 30 is option A 20, option B 30, option 3 25, and option 4 10. And your time starts now.
How much time for this question?
15 seconds.
25.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
That is the right answer. Next question. The distance between the upper class limit and lower class limit of a class interval is called frequency, width, group data, and group data. The time for this question is 10 seconds, and your time starts now.
Frequency.
Time's up.
Frequency.
One.
The right answer is width, option 2. Next question. Which child will be left out without a fish?
We can't see the picture.
The numbers are 81, 25, 48, and 36, and the fishes are 7 square, 5 square, 9 square, and 6 square.
48 child. The child with the number 48.
That is the right answer. Question 5. What is the probability of getting a 9 from 2 throws of dice? Option A, 1 by 6, option 2, 1 by 8, option 3, 1 by 9, and option 4, 1 by 12. You get 10 seconds for this, and your time starts now.
1 by 6. 1 by 9.
1 by 12.
What is the final answer?
Time is up.
Time is up.
1 by 6.
The right answer was option 3, 1 by 9. Priyansh, can we have the scores, please?
Question.
Yeah.
For this round, the first question was correct, second question was correct, third question was wrong, fourth question was correct, and fifth question was wrong. So their score is 3 on 5.
Round 1?
Round 1, the first question was wrong, second question was wrong, third question was wrong, fourth question was wrong, and fifth question was correct. So their score is 1 on 5.
Even their question 1 was right. So for round 1, they have 2 out of 5, and for round 2, they have 3 out of 5. Thank you for
5 out of
joining.
10.
Good morning all. Today we, Team Quads, in which I, Arav Srivastava, the host, Jeet, the host, Arush, the scorer, and Ansh, the timekeeper. Today we are going to ask questions to the Team Infinity.
So the rules in the round 1 are: time allotted will be 30 seconds for every question. There will be 5 questions having riddles, 1-word answers, and MCQs. Every question will be 1 point each. So let us begin with the quiz. The first question is: bacteria is known for multiplying very rapidly. A certain container contains just 1 bacteria on the first day, and there are twice as many in the next day. In the manner, the number of bacteria in the container doubles itself every day. Assuming that the container would be full of bacteria the 10th day On which day will the container be half full? Your time begins now.
5th day.
Your answer was incorrect. The answer is 9th day. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. I have two 10 paisa coins. If 4 by 5 of what I have is 8 by 9 of what you have, then how much do you have? Your time begins now.
The time is over.
The answer was 18 paise. Let's move to the next question. Can you ask the next question, Arav Srivastava?
Yeah. Thank you, Jeet. So the third question is, there is a special number. It is a square normally, and a square even when it is upside down, turned upside down. Can you guess the number? This number is from 0 to 500.
6, 1, 6, 8, and 9, and 0.
Your
The
answer
time is over.
The answer
Your
is
answer is incorrect. The answer is 169.
The answer was 169, as 169 is a square, and when we turn it upside down, it is 961, which is also a square. Let's move to the next question.
So the question 4 is, how can you make a total of 1000 by adding 16 fours?
The time is over.
The answer was
Sir,
444 plus 444 plus 44 plus 44 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. The next question is,
question number 5. I look like a spectacle, but you can't wear me. You don't use me to solve sums. I just have a value, and that is all in such.
The time is over.
The answer was infinity.
now let's move to the round 2. The rules are, there will be 5 questions and they will be 1 point each. Round 2 will be like a rapid fire round, so there will be only 10 seconds for each question. The questions will be given to Team Infinity. So let's begin.
So the question 1 is 9 divided by 3 bracket 2 plus 1 is
18.
Your answer was incorrect.
the answer is 9.
Your next question is, if 2 times is 4, then 6 times is? Your time starts now.
Well,
And
Your
the
answer
time
was
is over.
incorrect. The answer was 36. Let's move to the next question. Question 3. There is a number which is very peculiar. This number is 3 times the sum of its digit. Can you find the number? Your time starts now.
27.
Your answer was correct. The answer is 27. Now let's move to the question 4. Question 4. Should be solved first, curly bracket or round bracket?
Curly.
Oh, it's round.
Your answer was incorrect. The answer is round bracket.
Round. I said round.
But before you, Harshangi said.
Your team only said that it was curly first.
Now let's move to the next question. Question 5. Name the mathematician who invented infinity.
First.
Option 4.
First.
Your answer was correct. The answer is John Wallis. Thank you. Now
Thank
I
you.
would like to call Arush Govindu to tell the scores.
For round 1, they got first question was wrong, second question was wrong, third question was wrong, fourth question was wrong, and the fifth question was wrong. So they get 0 out of 5. In round 2, the first question was wrong, the second question was wrong, the third question was correct, fourth question was wrong, and the fifth question was correct. So they get 2 out of 5. Scores of all the groups are Team Pythagoras gets 6 out of 10, Team Algebros gets 5 out of 10, Team Quads also gets 5 out of 10, and Team Infinity gets 2 out of 10.